beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you how I wash my brushes. This is a deep clean. I do this every week. If you want a video on how I spot clean brushes, I can. So basically I have a jug of clean water. I then have a jar, which is actually an old Dormir jar. I'll leave the recipe for my brush cleaner in the description below. It's basically just melted down soap and some conditioner, and then in the actual sink is clean water, which ends up getting dirty. So I wet my brush with a clean, I dip it into the cleaner, and then I work the brush into a really good lather, and you will see the lather that I create. And it doesn't matter what style of brush. I do this with all my brushes, face brushes, eye brushes, everything. I like to lather it up, and then I will start to use the water in the sink to get that water activated, the soap activated. When I feel that the brush is actually clean or most of the dirt is off, I often rinse my hand with the tap, dip the brush into the jug of clean water, and then start to work that in too, so that the soap is the soap's coming out of the brush and it's then being replaced with clean water, if that makes sense. And I just keep doing that until I'm satisfied that all the soap is out of the brush, all the makeup is out, and sometimes I'll even go in a second round, go in with some more soap, work it up until the lather, and go through the routine again. And I literally do this for every single brush that I own. Lip brushes, face brushes, eye brushes, it doesn't matter, and it works so well. If you didn't want to use the brush cleaner that I kind of make up, I do the jar maybe like once or twice a year. It does last a really long time. If you don't want to use that, you can use fairy washing up liquid. It's an antibacterial washing up liquid, so that works really well. If you can't get fairy, then get another antibacterial washing up liquid. That'll work just as well. I do prefer this mix that I have created here, and I literally just shave Dove Beauty Bar and then a Pears clear soap, and I kind of shave it. I have like a potato peeler that I shave it down into the jar, and then I add some jojoba oil, and then I top it up with boiling water and use a spoon to mix. Okay, so all my brushes are out on this old towel. This was once white. I realise it's not now. But all my brushes that needed cleaning are here. I typically have to do this over a couple of days because I usually go through so many. But now that they're all laid out, I'm just kind of staggered. In this little bottle, this is Spirit, what's it called? Surgical Spirit. I get it from Superdrug, you can get it from Boots, you can get it online. This is what Americans call isopropyl alcohol, which is Surgical Spirit here in the UK, and I've just got it in this little spray bottle, which was from Superdrug. I think it was about £2, £1.52, and I just pop the lid off and I make sure, swap hands, to give each brush a really good spray, and I go all over, making sure that they all, including the handles, get a really, really good spritz. Now I will leave these for a couple of hours, just laying here like this, and then I'll flip the brushes and do the exact same thing. Then I let it dry overnight, and then they're good to go. They're sterilised, they're clean, they are perfect. Okay, that is the end of the video. If you liked this, please click that subscription button below to see more. Please give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. It is like 2 o'clock in the morning. I need to go to bed and I look a mess. I need to go have a wash. But yeah, that is how I wash my brushes, and doing it this way means that they are completely clean, they are sterile, they are good to use on clients or myself or whoever it is that I'm using them on. These brushes that I was cleaning were my client brushes, these are not my personal use brushes. But I do my personal use brushes in the exact same way. It means they are clean and sterile and just perfect. If you want to see how I spot clean brushes like between clients, let me know, because I can do that. Just let me know in the comments. I can do that. And also I can do a personal spot clean video, which is different to my client spot clean video. The personal one, just, it's not sterilizing the brush, it's literally just taking the makeup off. So yeah, that is different. Or I can just do it in like one video and just show you both methods. Let me know, because I will do it. I really enjoy making these videos. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.